What's going on, guys? Today I am going to fix the rear door locks and windows. As you may find with some of the third gen Dodge Ram 1500s and 2500s, they tend to quit working, and some people say it's the window solenoid or it's your motor inside. Before you go spending a bunch of money, check your wiring right there where the rubber boot kind of comes in here. This wiring harness, from opening and closing, it pinches these wires and they break apart. So take a flat blade screwdriver and pop that rubber boot in that way. Take your screwdriver, in my case a knife, there's a tab, pop that open, go around to the other side, and do the same thing. There's a connection tab here. Kind of hard to do with one hand. Once you get that free, you can peel back this rubber boot off of your harness and shove it back in here, allowing you to get more space. I'm going to show you the wires here in a second. Started to pull the boot back, and as you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wires that have split, and these wires control the window. These ones control your switch or your door locks. So we're going to fix that today. Be careful pulling this boot back. Sometimes it's a pain, it's kind of hard to see, but two of the wires have wrapped up inside, and now I need to take some needle nose and fish them out. I've got 4 out of the 5 wires. There's still the purple wire that is really far in there. So what I've done is added some tape, electrical tape here, to kind of keep these from falling back in there while I try and massage it out. Alright, I finally got it fished out of there. That definitely took longer than I wanted it to, maybe 10 minutes. But now we can start peeling these wires back about a 1/2 inch on both sides, and we'll splice a wire in between them, put some tape around it to kind of keep the wires tighter together, and shove it back together. I might put some soldering between the two, but I am no professional solderer. But this is a farmstead. We'll work on it ourselves, right? Jumper wires. Aren't they cute? Alright guys, I got the first part wired and soldered. Beautiful solder job, isn't it? We'll do the other half and then pull this heat shrink tube down and seal them in. Solder the other ends. Heat shrink tube, extra waterproof and durability. Let's get the rest of these together. There it is. soldered and shrink wrapped nice and tight. We'll put a piece of tape on it just to keep everything bundled close. Pull the boot back out, reconnect everything, and we'll give it a test. All right, everything back together. Let's test it. Let's check the window. All right, ultimate test. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe and follow for more DIY tricks and tips. Homestead on.